Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of SEO Bros, because it's Bros before SEOs. I'm Ben, this is Yaron, and today we have a special guest joining us on this roast. It's Itai Malinsky, who has 20 years of SEO experience. He's like an SEO grandfather. He's been doing SEO when I was still peeing my bed. So super excited to have you on here. And Itai's nickname is actually Eagle Eye Itai because when he's not wearing those glasses, he's got eagle eyes. He will spot your header errors and your sitemap duplication. And that's why we're happy to have
He
you.
sees everything.
How you guys doing today? What's happening?
What's up? What's up?
Hey, hey, thank you for having me.
Are you
It's my
excited?
AI glasses, man.
Wow.
Everything I look at, I get all the insights right away.
You look like you're scuba diving. That's because you're
Snowboarding,
going to go
maybe.
into the depth of this roast. I get it.
Yeah,
I get
man.
it. Smart.
Yes.
Are
And
you
we
excited
always
to
walk in
join
the
like the big?
sun.
Are you excited to join the big stage here,
Yeah,
SEO Bros?
definitely. Yeah,
Okay, cool.
amazing.
So today we're gonna roast a special website, and it's make.com.
Amazing.
Okay,
Let's do
share your
Make.com.
it.
screen. And I think make.com is like a competitor to Zapier. If I'm not
Yeah,
mistaken.
yeah.
So
Yeah, there are
Make.com.
many similar solutions, and make.com is like their heavy strong competitor, I would say. I'm not sure like what's the difference between them in terms of size. Uh,
What a
but yeah,
domain. Make.com.
yeah,
right?
just make
That's
Probably
it.
gotta be
cost
an
them.
expensive one.
Yeah, probably cost them money.
I'm wondering at what stage they decided to buy it.
Yeah, they probably
Yeah.
start with like Make HQ or Go Make or something.
Yeah, start making. Yeah, okay, let me share my screen. Already opened make.com.
You guys won't both went surfing this morning? Am I right?
Yes.
It's incredible.
Yep,
Yeah,
yep, yep.
we got roasted today in the sun.
hmm
Yeah,
Even the roasters needs to get roasted sometimes, you
that's
know?
true. So what's the first
Yeah.
thing you start with when you go like this is a big website, right?
All right. Let me clean, refresh, look at the first thing I see is how it loads. I
Ooh,
see
straight into the
animations.
tech. Straight into the
No,
tech
I'm
stuff.
first I'm looking, it's you need to find your in your head, you need to know always Google and search engines need to be able to get to the website, render the content, understand it, check its authority, and then rank it.
Right.
So right now I'm looking, assuming Google can enter the website with no issues. Let's see how it renders it, if it can read all the content.
Okay.
Um,
So you'd probably do a
yeah,
speed test on it, no?
it's
Like,
not about speed test. And also, since I don't have Search Console, I cannot see like the true errors. But what I'm looking, like the first thing I open a website is when it has JavaScript animations like this, that it's moving,
yeah.
it's
hmm
popping out of nowhere, like sliding and things like this.
hmm
Sometimes companies don't realize that until the moment they load this animation, Google already indexed the whole website. I mean, rendered.
Mm.
So we want to
So
see like what's
so what
moving
you're
around.
saying is that like content doesn't get loaded until it gets reached by the user in some cases.
And in some cases, yeah.
So the animation could be hurting their indexation.
Yeah, especially if they have
Mm.
content sections like this, for example.
hmm
There are many cases that it's being loaded with some JavaScript animation only when the user views it, and for Google it's not showing.
Mm.
hmm
Okay.
Sometimes Google, what it does, basically it's just taking like the top of your website and checking the main how it loads, and And that's like the way that what it renders. So you need to make sure that it's already being rendered in the code because Google is not clicking around and trying to render content.
Hmm.
Okay. How do
It
you
will
do that?
load all the resources, and you need to make sure this content is pre-rendered into the code of the website.
Okay.
Or
Hmm.
even if it's not pre-rendered and it's loaded by JavaScript, you want to make sure it loads anyhow, not only when getting to a specific section.
So how do you check? Like, how do we check this homepage to see that it makes?
I would first I would even here I can use Screaming Frog because I don't have the inspect element tool of Google, and if I'm not mistaken, they removed the mobile friendly tool and moved it to the Search Console inspect
Okay.
instead. I can use Screaming Frog and render the page with JavaScript, and then it gives me the full picture of the website from top to the bottom, and also the source code.
Nice.
So I can open Screaming Frog, and we can start crawling the whole website, and then it can crawl in the background. So
Cool.
I will
You
make
do you
a
need to change any settings? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I will
Okay.
make a quick config here because I don't want to waste resources on external links. JavaScript I want, images is fine. Let's extract everything. Okay, here I want to store the HTML and the rendered HTML in the extraction.
Hmm.
Um, Now limits and rendering. I want to do JavaScript rendering, and we can also enable JavaScript error reporting. That's an important thing, like the Ajax timeout. Sometimes when the website is very heavy with JavaScript, if it takes more than 5 seconds, Screaming Frog will skip that page.
Mm.
So I want to give it more, like I'll give it 20 seconds just to give the page enough time to load. At the
20
later point, we
seconds
can
is a lot
see,
of
yeah.
time, isn't it?
Yeah, but just to be on the safe side, I still wanna render the page.
And you're gonna
Mm.
use the smartphone preset?
Yeah, always.
Okay.
Yeah, I barely care how the desktop version is being rendered.
Because it's usually
Barely care.
fine.
No, because it's not valued too much, the desktop. Google 99% or maybe less, but it's mostly calling from JavaScript. Sorry, from the
Mm,
mobile version.
Hmm.
okay.
So yeah, also that's why when someone is building a website, they put so much effort on the desktop, and I care only about the mobile. I want to
Wow.
see how it's in on mobile, how it looks above the fold, and so on. So I'll start with make.com, and when I crawl, when I start a crawl on Screaming Frog, I go from the worst variation of the domain, so like HTTP without www. I want to see the redirects. I want to see how it brings me to the canonical version of the website of the homepage. I hope they will not block Screaming Frog from calling. Yeah. Okay,
Cool.
let's see. Why? So the main domain is without www. Let's check the canonical. It's redirecting to en. Okay.
En?
Yeah, /en. Some
Is that
reason.
like they're canonical?
That's the homepage. Let's check if this is the homepage.
The homepage redirects
Yeah,
to en with, and the canonicals with en as well.
yeah.
Isn't that like a bad, weird choice to be making?
When you're make.com, everything you make is fine. No, I'm kidding.
Sponsored
Where
by
is the even
make.com.
the I don't even see languages. Where are the languages here that they have an EN version?
Yeah, right.
But why is the EN the canonical?
Because
Like,
that's probably the main homepage of Make.
but
So they
look,
don't
look,
have a version without the EN, you see?
yeah, but look, everything on under product and all of the solutions, everything is under EN.
Yeah,
It's like a subfolder. Why would they put a subfolder for EN?
because
They don't even offer any other language.
we don't see it, but maybe if I was
Maybe they do.
browsing from a Spanish browser or country, it would give me,
Think?
yeah, let's do RU. No, no RU. Let's do
ET.
ES.
Yes.
Let's just check
Nope.
on
We
Ahrefs. We
will
should
see
be able to
soon,
see
you
these on
know.
Ahrefs now.
I will probably see it here on Screaming Frog as well. Um, okay, so we have the homepage.
Yeah.
So every time Google goes to make.com, there is a redirect. I wonder how many backlinks they have to EN
Oh, yeah.
that are being basically redirected, like, and kind of, it's not devaluing too much, but every redirect devalues. I could connect the Ahrefs API as well, then it would give us all the information, but that's not okay. So, okay, screaming for crawl the page. We can see all the data here, fine, but here we see the render page.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see how
Nice.
the page is being rendered by a bot, by a crawler.
Okay.
Because the crawler doesn't click around, it doesn't even open the website. It only loads the
The page.
server side kind of loading, reading the HTML file and executing all the resources together and the images, and then it can build the picture. It can build like it can visualize what it was reading in the resources, like in the CSS, JavaScript, and so on.
Okay.
So I see they have a small menu here. Let's uh, zoom in a little. Okay, so bring ideas to life with Make. And what I saw is that they
Why is
have,
their logo broken?
yeah,
Make logo.
should have been those three lines. But I like this logo with the squares and
But that's just a
looks like a,
menu.
yeah, but one second. Let's see. So
Let's go down to that section where you were looking for the different industry.
yeah,
T.
So,
There it is.
it is here
Yeah.
loaded, but you need to click now. Now I cannot simulate the way it clicks, but what I can do is I can copy like let's copy this text. Make customer care a breeze. Oh, I saw make. Like I thought they say it's like the brand name make, but it's make customer care a breeze. Let's
mm-hmm.
try to find this in the source code of the rendered page.
So you also have
View
access to the
source.
source codes. There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nice.
So on the left side is the non-JavaScript rendered source code,
Okay.
and on the right is the JavaScript rendered. And what's funny is that some years ago, Google couldn't render JavaScript. It could, but it was very, very stupid, I would say, the way it renders JavaScript. And there was this, like, it was worth comparing more back then. But now, with all the JavaScript and the resources rendering, that it's less of a big issue, like how it renders without JavaScript.
All right.
Okay, so let's find like make customer care a breeze. Okay, it's there.
Nice. Okay,
Ah,
they
I'm
got
not
it.
sure. Wait,
No,
wait.
customer experience description and customer breeze looks like the same. By
It looks like,
connecting
but it's
six.
uh,
Yeah,
it's not. Let's see if it's part of the HTML. Like how to read like this. Let me open it in. I will open it with the
You know
in
he's
the
a
next.
tech guy when he's got a
it's
special
cool stuff.
notepad.
We're getting like a programming lesson over here.
Yeah.
So I will copy
Slow down, man.
the source
Oh,
code,
wow.
and then here I will search for. Okay, okay, that's what I couldn't see in the small screen of Screaming Frog.
So it's
What are
there.
we even looking at? It's like a P, that it's a P?
Yeah,
Okay, it's a
it's part
paragraph.
of the HTML.
Mm-hmm.
Customer
Okay,
experience, make customer care, and this big code is what renders the content, basically. I'm not a developer, by the way. It's just things
you're
I
not.
learned by, yeah,
Okay,
no. The only thing I can develop is a blank screen saying hello,
it's good. Good.
hello world.
So
But
okay,
with
so
AI, I can do a lot of magic.
right. So okay, so
Yeah,
now you've done this. You've made sure that
yeah,
all the text, all the content is rendered. So now what's the next thing you check on the site?
yeah. So we see it's there,
You
it's
click on the
rendered.
blog.
Let's see.
Would you look at their headers?
No, I would look at the menu. I want to check that all the links are accessible from the menu as well. Let's look at the responsive version. Hard refresh. Okay, so we click on the menu. Let's remember Google doesn't click anything, right? So
Yeah.
all this needs to be in the source code of the rendered page. So I see they don't have multi-level here, which is good. But let's see it can find let's see if it can find this operations link in the source code to see if it's rendered. Yeah, I think the website is perfectly loaded with the JavaScript.
Cool.
So that's one thing. I'm usually checking, close, then I continue browsing around. Um, let's see what else I can. It's funny that they changed the logo. Ah, it's not the logo.
Yeah, no, the logo's broken on the Screaming Frog.
Right. That's what I was missing. So it might be broken as well for the search engines. I'm not sure why. Maybe they blocked the crawler.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, make logo. See, it's not loaded. Everything else is loaded. This one is not.
Weird. Okay, so
Yeah.
what would you do next then?
What I would do next, I will start going inside the pages. First, we saw this EN thingy. I don't
Yeah,
know why it's
the entire
that.
website is under EN except for a few pages.
Yeah, the entire website is under EN. I don't see additional languages here.
Mm.
Um,
Why would you want to do that that way? Isn't it like just bad
it's still
way of
crawling
doing things?
the website.
Is it-
I wouldn't make EN as the main website, even if I have multi-language.
Yeah.
Because imagine the amount of backlinks they get to just make.com without EN,
Yeah.
Mhm.
right?
And would you recommend a website of this size make a shift, remove it?
No, not at this
Not at this
size.
stage, and not at this
Yeah,
size.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's too late
Now
for
I
them.
wouldn't do too much changes.
Mm.
Um,
So what do you look at when you go to Ahrefs? You want to zoom in, maybe you
yeah,
want to maximize that window?
yeah. I want to see how many. Okay, let's see pages based by links. I want to see how many links, like referring domains, they have to make.com without the en. I see, yeah, they have 4,000
Wow.
referring domains to make.com that has a
Wow.
redirect, and
Oh, wow.
2,000 that are referring to en
With a slash at the
with
end.
a slash, and it
Yeah.
redirects to without a slash. Let's check it out. Yeah, there is a redirect here.
So they're
By
losing
the
on
way,
they're losing a lot of juice because of it.
yeah, I'm sure we can say it's arguable, but even I think John Mueller posted once about the redirect chains that the more redirects is the lower kind of value the link passes. He wants,
Mm.
because this is one redirect, so it's not like the end of the world, but
Right.
uh, he wants, I read once that the more redirects you have, at some point it will stop following the redirect.
Right.
I
So
mean,
if
look.
your website has more than like three redirects to a specific URL, which is like,
Yeah, look down.
yeah,
There's like a link to the HTTP version, which redirects to the non-EN version,
and then from
which
here,
that redirects to the EN version, most likely.
yeah, yeah, many and I don't know how of a missed opportunity it is, but that's a lot of websites
Yeah.
referring to this
Not a
link.
best practice.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, that's an interesting. So and another thing is that I don't see the other languages. Let's keep this open. I will look here.
If they have an href lang tag.
Yeah, exactly.
Very good.
Um, no,
Nothing.
nothing.
Well,
So
that's
it's
crazy.
all
Yeah.
for nothing.
Maybe they had it in their strategy and then they pivoted, you know?
Maybe. Let's
Happens.
see.
So let's look at their blog. Let's look at their,
Yeah, let's check some of the solution pages and products.
okay.
Some product pages.
Yeah, when I think of Make, the most important thing I want to see is how they do the programmatic approach, like integrate X to Y, you know.
Right.
So I want to find it. This is what I want to find. I think this is like the one of the strongest traffic generators with the high intent.
Right.
And so far, I want to see how I access it. For
I
Well,
mean,
example,
we throw it out there, but what is the difference between Make and Zapier? Because Zapier, everybody knows Zapier. If you don't know Zapier, you haven't worked online.
it's
What is the difference between them and Zapier? Like,
I don't know the key differences. I honestly I use the Zapier most of the time, but I know many peers that are using make.com.
slash
We can
en.
ask. There you go.
slash Ian.
Ah, yeah. Let's. So I want to
Oh my God.
find how easy is for the search engines to access the integration page, like
Okay.
Google Sheets to
So when you say that, do you mean like what's the crawl depth, or what do you mean
yeah.
when you say how easy it is for?
Yeah, like how many clicks is required
Mm.
from the homepage to get to Google Sheets to MailChimp page, or HubSpot to MailChimp, or Facebook to HubSpot.
But if they built internal links, does that even matter? Because if you have enough internal links, Google knows how to access all these things.
Yeah, but there is a value on how easy it to get to a certain page.
But don't you just
So
give
if
Google a sitemap and they just go through it?
no,
No?
no, it's not a way to build site hierarchy and the
Oh,
navigation kind
sure.
of tree. And this is where the value is. because sitemap is just the site. It's a way for Google to another way for Google to access your website. But if you don't have a sitemap, it can still crawl everything, and it's a matter of how easy for the navigation to happen on the website.
So you'll probably find it in the blog. You're not going to find it on a product page.
I would expect to find it on a product page. I mean, I would expect to have a button here says Notion to Google Calendar. Explore the integration, for example.
I wouldn't know how to get there. Like I tried looking at the blog, which by the way prompted me with Zapier versus Make article. That was like the main thing on their
Oh,
blog, but
yeah?
I would never find the integrations like on the
Yeah.
blog. Maybe
Use
through
cases they have.
categories.
It's under use cases probably.
There's no such
And
thing. Use cases. They have a category called use cases. Yeah.
yeah,
Uh,
but where are the
uh, uh.
use cases on the top menu?
Maybe
But
it's
it's still
templates.
not
Maybe it's
integration.
in the templates. Click on that.
But is it a
Mm,
template? Would it be considered a
mm,
template?
Yeah, there you go.
it's kind of a template. Yeah.
Follow
Yeah.
the
Okay, yeah.
template.
Yeah.
It's interesting because I don't know if users would call this templates. I
I
would be
wouldn't.
searching for integration.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. But they probably have it. They must have it. This is the okay. What you can do with Make, how to convert a Google Doc to PDF. Okay, so this is part of like the how they can bring users who don't know that you can make an integration, but they have a problem. They want to convert a PDF or they want to convert a Google Doc to a PDF automatically.
Okay.
Then they are being exposed to Make.com.
And
But
all of these are blog posts?
I don't know if to call it a blog post or just like guides,
Ooh. You know what I'm missing
long
here?
reads.
I
The
mean, I
author
But
clicked
page.
on one of them and it says just get this template, so there's not even content explaining there. I clicked on send Slack messages for new Gmail emails matching specified criteria, and it just says get this template. There's no explanation what the template is, so they're missing content as well.
yeah, they're sending me to the pricing from here
Oh, yeah.
instead of get started now and try it. But yeah,
No
Ben, what's
CTA
missing?
button.
You said
There's no author
some.
page. There's no CTA button.
Oh,
There's no product category.
Yaron, where are you with all these
Blog
comments?
Me,
categories.
I'm still surprised it's called templates,
Yeah.
and I'm not. I still haven't found an integration page. That's where I am. I'm looking for the integration page.
I think they should do some keyword research on the words integration and then create a cluster and see if that performs well for them. They
X to
might.
Y. This is like if you open Zapier's Ahrefs, we will see all of what they're doing there. Let's check on. Okay, let's go to Zapier.com. We're talking. Let's go to Zapier.com and see in how they
They got
show
zaps.
it.
Here,
Yeah,
they showed on the home page.
yeah. They have these integrations. They don't call
Make
them.
doesn't
They
show.
call them templates, but
Maybe we're wrong. Maybe everybody calls it templates.
it's fine. They can call it a template, but
Here,
then you click here,
And it says
the no
integration.
integrations.
and this is the main integration. So they have apps. Let's see if
But you see, there's breadcrumbs.
I'm dying here for not seeing
And,
apps.
and,
Oh,
and I don't think, even if Zapier is not doing it, I'm not saying this is good user experience on either
Yeah.
side.
There's no breadcrumbs. I don't know how to go. Like on Zapier, you can see there's
Their
breadcrumbs. I can
product,
click out.
their app
check.
integrations
Yeah,
on a
Yeah.
product. There
yeah.
you go.
Let's Google
That's
Sheets,
easy.
Gmail, and then you go to Google Sheets, and from here you have all the sub pages.
Yeah.
Google Sheets to Slack. Let's see. Yep, easy,
Amazing.
perfect. And
It looks good. It
the
is
best thing
legit in the
here,
content.
guys, the best thing here,
Yeah.
sorry, I clicked on this. No, I saw they have a video, but here, when we go to this page, Come on. Show me a video on top
Right?
on how to do it, not
Right.
screenshots. People don't want to see screenshots anymore.
That's true.
I would take all of their use cases on the website,
Make
all
video.
the use cases, turn them into a video. Like every use case is a video. This could push their blog so much. Not only the blog, like all the guides,
Yeah.
where it
Itai,
was. Yeah,
can you
yes.
can you go to the Screaming Frog crawl, look for a page because there's an integration. I can see on Ahrefs that they have like en/integrations/ and then like the product. I'm looking at Perplexity AI just because it's the first one. Can you see like what's
Yeah.
the crawl depth on these pages? There we go. You were there.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
Trello, WordPress.
Yeah. Just a second. Okay. Let's check Dropbox.
What is the crawl depth here?
Uh, 4.
4.
Yeah.
So
It's
homepage, you need to click something. Oh, it's
yeah,
probably
let's see.
under apps and services. There we go. Apps and
Aha.
services.
Okay. Yeah, missed it.
LinkedIn, and then you get the integrations. Okay,
Yes.
there we go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Apps and services.
Hey, look, there's Monday.com, but they messed up our
Oh,
colors. They made us purple
where is Monday.com?
on the right.
Oh, here.
We're not purple.
Man, I'm looking at Mondays.com logo and then I look at I was thinking it's a make.com
Mm-hmm.
with the
You're like
purple.
Yeah.
you're colorful. You're supposed to be colorful.
Monday has its
So
own
when you
brand and colors.
when you click on Monday, let's say what does it
But they
show us
did the
all the
same for
possibilities?
Slack.
That's true. Slack also looks weird.
But if you click
I'm
Colorless.
on
sure
one of them, let's see what they actually display there.
if they would do it
Look,
to
all of
LinkedIn, they would get a letter from the legal team of LinkedIn right away.
look,
But
all of
yeah,
the logos look a bit weird, don't they? The Gmail looks a bit weird. Facebook looks a bit weird.
yeah, I don't know why. I mean, it's
Google
not
Drive looks
intuitive.
weird.
Yeah, yeah. That's
Like
why I
tell
was saying, where is Monday? Ah,
yeah,
okay. Let's
everything
click
looks
on Monday.
here looks a bit weird. Like
Let's
they're not
connect
using
Monday.
the brands like colors and logos. They're making their own
Yeah,
logos.
yeah. I would do the official logos.
Yeah, why not? I'm
So
curious
easy
to see
to
what Zapier is
recognize.
doing. What is Zapier doing?
Official logos.
Official logos?
Let's check
Makes
Monday.
sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, official logo.
Even here, you see, they make a video. What's a zap? Give me a Monday use case. I'm sure you can AI generate such videos like nowadays.
Amazing.
Demo videos. Okay, let's go back here. So we found
Now I'm ready to look at the
yeah,
blog.
yeah. So the call depth, I don't know. So why it was 4.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like 3.
Yeah,
This is the EN.
right. No, I don't think so. It's the amount of clicks. Uh,
Is it because you started from HTTP?
no, it might have been that they it first clicked another link that is not in the menu. Or let's see, it was Dropbox. Is Dropbox here? Yeah, it's here.
No.
Yeah. So it has so far a few backlinks already, internal links.
And everything, like all the anchor text
What's
is
the
all
skip to
Dropbox.
content thing? Let's check
Not
the
Dropbox integration or anything. It's like they're avoiding the word integration.
connect Dropbox integrations. build your Dropbox integrations.
Maybe we're not experts in the field, and you don't use integrations that way.
They're using it twice
Yeah.
here. So what would you do to improve these kinds of pages, SEO wise?
SEO wise, a video explaining how to integrate Dropbox
Yeah.
in Make. I mean,
Yeah.
how to enable or how to open the application in Make. Where are the... Okay, this is more of an automation things that you can do, like modules, triggers, actions, search, connect any app with Dropbox. I would probably put it somewhere more above, maybe here, like popular integrations.
Okay.
Because on Make, it's not only about the integration. It's a
Right.
lot about the automations that you can do for a specific app, right? So you can do a lot of things without integrating one app to the other on Make.
Okay. Right.
Okay, let's see. Then we have the Google Sheets.
I'm ready to talk about the blog.
What happened?
I looked at it.
That's what? No,
Ah,
that
well,
looked. Look, I was like,
select a trigger, watch
I
files.
click on it, nothing happens.
Well, there's one thing you can select. What do you mean?
Yeah, it looked like I'm gonna see a lot of triggers, like a drop down,
No,
and
just one
it's
thing.
already opened. But the way it's being separated, I never saw such a drop down menu that
Yeah.
shows that it's not part of the menu, of the list. It's
Yeah.
like something external.
Yeah.
I assume that there is now a drop down of a lot of things I can click from, but okay.
I like the swap
So
apps button. That's great.
yeah, let's see if it changes the URL. Yeah, it does. That's cool. I don't know how it's working, functional.
Pretty
It's
cool.
it's that a
So they
link?
got some nice things going for them.
No, it's a button. It's not recognized for Google, this swap apps, but it's fine for now. So a video showing how to integrate Google Sheets to Dropbox. We can see where they rank for
And
Google
I'm
Sheets
sorry, but
to...
not using the official logos makes this look cheap. It makes it look like a
Hmm.
knockoff.
Hmm.
Why would you not use the logos? I mean, look at it. Go back to the page. You're in Israel, by the way.
Ah,
But
all right.
but look at it. It doesn't look real. I feel like I'm being scammed.
I didn't even realize it.
It looks so bad.
Let's do Google Sheets to Monday. Yeah.
That's not the Google Sheets logo either,
Yeah.
right? I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it
They
doesn't
made their
look
own.
anything like it.
They made their own.
Why? But why? Why go through the extra step of making a unique logo?
I don't know.
Telegram is kind of right.
Yeah,
Instagram,
Telegram looks similar,
I don't know.
but I don't
Oh,
understand it.
Microsoft Excel is fine.
X is fine.
Okay,
OneDrive
so
looks
they
fine.
got the wrong logos.
Yeah.
But they do
Yeah.
have a lot of the pages created. They just
They
should
have them,
improve it with
correct.
some videos. They should improve the user experience to help the user find these pages because it's very difficult to find them. For us anyway, I don't know why.
Yeah.
And we're not really clear why they don't have integrations in their menu, like the word integrations, but they have it in their headers twice.
Yeah. Apps and services connect anything. Yeah.
They should make it clear because it's not a service.
It's not self-explanatory.
Yeah. And regarding
Uh,
these use case pages, they're missing author
hmm.
profiles on the top. They have it in the bottom. They're missing on the top. They need a
On the
regular
blog, you mean?
navigation. They need breadcrumbs. They need a category page.
Let's
They need a
let's let's quickly go through a blog.
they need CTA buttons and they need side banners. They don't have any of that. Now maybe that's a marketing
So
decision.
maybe now also before we go to the blog, you see
Yeah.
all the use case of a specific integration. It's under like templates.
Yeah.
Um, I would expect it to be under the kind of
Use
the
cases.
specific use case, the specific integration page, like Google Sheets
Right.
to Monday, and then I want to see what? Okay, this is about the specific Google Sheets to Monday, like what you can do and what is the action. If I click this again,
Yeah.
like this. Okay, it's yeah, it's taking me to the specific action in the application, but popular Google Sheets and Monday workflows.
So now they use the word workflow.
Generate ChatGPT completions from Google Sheet rows. Where is Monday here?
Oh,
Get Telegram messages for new Google Sheets rows.
nothing to do with Monday, huh?
Yeah. Looking to get out, looking to get more out of Google Sheets and Monday with make no coding required. Try any of these templates. Okay. This
Weird.
is
So
generic
nothing
stuff.
about Monday. Maybe they ran out of it. Okay,
Yeah,
let's
or
let's look at a blog
yeah, yeah.
before we have to
Yeah,
wrap up.
on. You want me to open the blog? Yeah,
Yeah,
myself.
Yeah,
just
open a
open the
blog,
blog.
doesn't really matter. Yeah, open one
Yeah,
blog.
yeah.
Here, Make versus Zapier. That's good.
Featured article. Yeah.
Oh, it's not the link, the title.
The title is not the link.
Also the
The image
image.
is not, so what, read more is the link?
Mm-hmm.
All right, fix that.
Yeah.
There you
Yeah.
go.
Start with that. Um,
But the bottom
yeah.
ones, I think the whole element is a
Yeah,
link.
the whole thing is a link. Yeah, better.
So click on one.
Let's go into one of them.
Before, I don't like too much white space here and the proportions. That just visually not right to me, and the way the text is placed above the fields here, and it has 278 blogs. It looks, man. Most
So
popular
much dead
article is
space.
from
Look,
2021.
don't move anything. Look at how much dead space.
Yeah.
I like that the most popular article is from 2021. I'm sure it's updated and ranked.
And their featured article is from 2022. How long has it been featured?
No, how many changes were they gone through since they published this article? And how accurate it is versus May, Zapier.
It says 2022, but it's discussing 2023. So the date is incorrect. The 5 minutes is probably incorrect as
Ah,
well. You're loading
Let's
into an
scroll down.
article
No author.
no, no
before
often.
you even load into the article, you don't even see the article.
Yeah, the image
Mm-hmm.
is
Look
good.
how big the header is. I'm gonna run through this. Look at the size of the header to the text. Are you zoomed?
Let's
Are you zoomed
no,
in or
let's
anything?
no, let's check how it looks on mobile. Man, let me see if we can do some manipulation here. Just as how would I expect it to be?
What
So
size is that? How
probably
many pixels is that?
it's like a lot of padding. Not
Okay.
changing
Each
text
one
size.
is
Such a
five.
magician, dude.
Why I need
Here
like
we go.
why I need a title that is taking half of my screen.
It's true. I would
And
give it that.
that's an iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's
It's a good
let's
one.
make it it's a huge one. It should look more like this.
Look at how much just wasted space
Yeah,
above
yeah,
the
yeah. You don't see
title,
the content right away. That's a big
between
no
the
for me.
title and the image, after the image until the text starts. Like there's no author box.
Yeah, like come
There's
on.
incorrect, useless data taking more space. The date and the 5 minutes read. Like I never understood the how long it takes to read the article feature.
Yeah,
That I never understood.
Yeah.
The only
yeah,
thing it can
man.
do is put somebody off from reading something.
Yeah,
Why?
the
What?
amount of time,
Yeah.
disaster.
Like why would
It's
you
like
put that?
big disaster.
It's
And
such
then,
a bounce out feature.
yeah, definitely. Like
Like
this
I don't want to
section
spend
is
5 minutes reading something now.
nowadays, if it's more than 30 seconds, I'm out.
Yeah.
What did I do? Oh, nothing.
What are you doing now? You're just
Yeah, I'm just playing around. Usually when we optimize the mobile version of a blog post for anyone, we record a video of how we do it through the inspect element tool to tell, yeah, we would do padding here, remove the padding here, increase the font size.
nice.
God, bye. Like, I don't want to see that thing here. Like,
Whoa.
then I would probably
That is
put
so cool.
this. Jesus.
But he's not a developer.
Yeah, he's not developing anything right now. I tell you. Okay, so we got like a few
Yeah.
minutes left.
A few minutes
Let's
left. Let's
quickly run
just,
through the.
But if you
I,
want, we could probably create a graphic we could post before and
yeah,
after.
definitely.
It's a good idea.
But only by doing this and
There you go.
removing all these crazy
Yeah.
spacings, like it's a joke, man.
Yeah. I hear.
There you go.
Yeah.
It's
What's
already
the rest
looking
of the
much better.
post look like?
You already
Oh,
can, you
Look
can
at how
already see
much
that.
you can see 2 paragraphs already.
yeah.
Even
That's
here,
so
you can
good.
do like this. It's kind of
You
quite
gotta
a
take a
long
screenshot of that.
title, but
That looks gorgeous.
yeah. And put here like some. This is so useless. This man, bye.
Image.
Oh yeah, you'd remove the image?
Bye. Why I need
Yeah.
it? What's
What
making
does
me
it provide?
wow? What's the idea? I would give me a video there. But people who are looking to make integrations, they most likely don't do it from the mobile phones anyway. But still, I guess such a company would not be like 80% mobile. But still,
So you'd remove
it's
all
a
the thumbnails from mobile.
yeah, I would remove them. Or make them smaller or find a way, but focus on the content because the thumbnail doesn't give you anything.
Interesting.
Anything.
I think that a video on such an article is a must.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here,
So what's the rest of it?
explaining
Scroll
what the
down?
difference is.
Sorry, Ben?
Scroll down, scroll down. We got apps, we got some images.
Everything looks the same. There is no kind of branded elements. Like
No
the
banner.
table I cannot read on a mobile
Yeah.
version.
Yeah.
I would make a nice table with the brand colors and bigger fonts and the bullet points I would make like purple and nice and bigger.
Yeah.
And
And the
full. Yeah.
headings probably worth putting some more engaging colors just to make it to give it a better look and feel of
Yeah.
yeah.
I'd make the links a bit bolder, a bit stronger, easier to see. Maybe underline it instead.
Yeah, an underline could work here definitely. Uh,
Hmm.
oh,
Does
is
it
the
go
Nice.
author?
anywhere?
Wait, let's
Martin.
see. This post was originally published in 2020. and has been
updated.
updated in 2022. Come on. You
That's
compare
funny,
2022
yourself
and
to
uh,
Zapier?
the description says it's 2023.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you go
Wait, wait,
back a
wait, wait.
page,
Wait,
I don't
hold
know,
on.
Amir.
Hold
You
on.
just, in the blog here?
yeah, in the lobby blog it says 2023. Fair against each other in
Ah,
2023. So which one is it?
well, we
Hold
didn't
on,
even
hold on.
start yet. Come on.
Can we click on the author profile? Is there a
Is
profile
Uh,
there
thing?
no problem? I don't
yeah,
think
let
there's a
me.
profile there.
There
Hold
was a
on.
link. There was an author, but
Not going anywhere, no.
On the
spread the
picture?
word. Let's spread the word. No, nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
He's a content manager, senior editor.
Come on.
Well, hold
Is
on.
worth a
Look at this. Look at
profile.
this. Content manager and senior editor at Make. I enjoy writing and reading about history, science, and tech. I don't understand how this is relevant. And you got to pull the article I pulled,
Man,
which was crazy. Go to the lobby, to the
I
blog
got
lobby.
a comment about another thing. Come on.
Yeah, the
What?
banner.
Come on.
The
Check this code, this CTA, misaligned content,
Yeah.
a subscribe button from 2022 as well. Even 2020.
Right here.
Get
This,
monthly automation inspiration somewhere at the bottom after everything is done.
yeah, where is the call to actions?
Yeah.
There's no.
Sticky
And
banners.
you know what I think?
What?
They probably have a video on YouTube comparing from a recent time, and it's
Yeah.
still, guys, fix it.
Add
Come
it.
on.
No,
Okay,
but
so the
but
top five errors.
hold on. One more thing, quick thing.
Oh
Go
my
to the
God.
blog lobby. Go to the blog lobby and
Okay.
open up the automation versus authenticity article. It should be on the second line. There we go. Automation.
Okay.
Now
Oh,
go scroll down to the author there.
Social
Scroll down all the way
media.
to the author.
wow, check this,
How are we
man.
gonna do this?
Why such a waste of estate here?
Yeah, I know.
You know, I really like, when we talk, when we show a blog reference and we say who's doing good and call to actions in the blog articles, it's
Yeah.
Monday.
Yeah,
We always reference Monday, by the way.
Ah,
that's
yeah,
true. We
Monday's
reference
great.
Yeah.
Monday a lot. Yeah.
I wish I
Yeah.
worked for them. Really great people.
You know, and not only
How'd you get
this,
in?
every call to action box on a blog article or any other place is has the semantic and context for the user that is currently reading the article.
Should, yeah. It should.
So the CTA is very specific to the one who reading. By the way,
Yeah,
why the font is so small as well? It's like 14, 16
yeah, it
pixels or
looks different.
something.
Hold on, so what happened with the author page? We gotta
Oh,
summarize.
yeah.
Go to the
Sorry.
author.
We
Go to
can't
the
make an
author.
hour-long roast here. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a new
How
link.
is this showing me authority,
Uh,
expertise?
the guest post.
It's a guest post?
He's an SEO expert, but the whole thing is about social media. Wah, wah. Okay, we gotta summarize. We gotta summarize, guys. So, Itai, give us five things that make should change. Go. Number one.
Number one is the update the articles that are being presented right away to the users.
Okay.
Make sure they are up to date and the
Okay.
date is updated as well. Update the descriptions as well. If you say 2023, don't say this article was recently updated in 2022.
Yeah.
And it's so like Zapier is I'm sure they published so many new changes in only 2024, not to mention. So you probably compare it in a very bad way.
Okay.
That's one.
Two.
Second thing, um, make this a link. Come on.
Links. Yeah, that link. Yeah, for sure.
Links to the feature of the article should be a link.
Three, the
Uh,
spacing. You got so much space. When you
yeah,
call
here
that.
it's not that critical, but I would
Okay.
expect to see here some call to action
Yeah.
banner. The mobile spacing that we
Yeah.
showed,
That's
It's
like,
four.
like it's like they left spaces for banners but forgot to implement them.
Okay. And number 5?
Number 5 is a bit more branded elements on the page.
Yeah, 100%.
Come on, check who's gonna ever read this. This only okay, it's on desktop, it's fine, but on mobile, must be a
Doesn't look good.
disaster.
Doesn't look good.
Must be a disaster.
And number
Call to
6, I'll give you an
actions.
extra one.
Oh man, call to actions. Where are the call to
Yeah.
actions? Like a visual call to action. How do I sign up?
Ben, what is your one thing that you think they should update
Yeah, Ben.
from everything we've roasted?
They should change their menu. It makes no sense. They should make it like Zapier. When you open it up, it shows you there's icons, there's things happening. You could draws me in. Use the
Mm-hmm.
word integrations. Make up your mind. Is integrations workflows? What is it?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, the space. I think the space is huge.
I think for me, the logos.
The logos, yeah.
You gotta fix the
The
logos.
fake
It
logos.
makes it look cheap.
That's true.
It doesn't
It
make it look
makes it
quality.
looks.
Yeah. You're
Make
making it look
make it
cheap.
better. What
Yeah.
grade would
Yeah,
we give them, guys? What grade?
Uh-huh.
yeah. Yaron is the
That,
English teacher here. He gives the
in the
grades,
past,
so
I'm
Wow,
gonna be
no,
harsh
look,
with them.
come on,
Look,
guys.
I,
It's Make. It's Make.com. It's a huge brand.
you know
it's a
what?
Even
huge brand.
without
That's why.
H1s and optimizations, they will probably rank super high for whatever they want to rank.
Right,
Okay? But
right.
we've been doing it for like 45 minutes, something like this. These
Too
issues
much.
are red flags
Too
for me.
much. Too much.
Black flags.
Yeah.
So what would you
Red
give
flag.
them?
Not
What grade
black.
would you give them?
What would
With
you give
grade
them?
from 1 to
A to
10
F.
or
Uh,
8 to
A to
F.
F.
Man, I never got such a grading in my school, so
All right,
Right.
so give me a grade like
no, yeah,
8.5,
yeah.
8, and we'll convert it to the
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
ABCs.
probably just by looking at this, it's like 6.
6.
A 6. Oh, okay, so it's
Yeah.
close to what I was gonna say.
It's a D.
Man, this
I
What would
was
this
you
gonna
looks
give
say?
them a C
like,
minus. Yeah.
let
Ooh.
me tell you how I look at their blog. It looks like they 5 years ago they opened the blog and they said, it's a blog. Who needs a blog nowadays? And they left it like this.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're strict, man.
Yeah, let's go to their blog.
Look, it's not a small company. It's a
Big
big
company.
company. They
And they're
have the
probably getting a lot
budgets,
of
they have
traffic from
everything.
SEO.
Check this
That's
call
what
to
we're
action
paying.
here as
Look,
I open the blog.
Yeah. Zapier's
This
legit.
one,
Can't compare.
man.
Zapier has a
But
huge content team.
man,
but
you don't need to
it's a
be
big
so
company
big
as well.
to implement like the basics. Let's see how it looks on mobile. It's fine.
Look. No, it's good.
Much better.
You can
Yeah.
read the text when you start.
5 minute
Thumbnail's
read.
much
Yay.
smaller.
That's a 5 minute stuff. Yeah,
Categories,
remove
blog.
it.
Now I see why they did this menu with
Why?
these buttons.
Why?
What are these buttons?
No, it's like the menu, but that's not it.
There's apps right
These are the
there. You press the
integrations. It's not
button
even the
for
menu.
apps. Brilliant. Okay, guys, I think it's a D.
Okay,
And that's a wrap. Make you've
that's
been
a wrap.
roasted. And if you need our
You've been
Yeah,
help with
roasted.
anything, we'd love to help.
yeah. It's still crawling, by the way.
Still crawling. Oh wow.
Yeah,
Only
fun.
30%.
Geez,
And
14,000 pages. We could do a few small tweaks and you could probably double your traffic.
yeah, definitely. No, it's
Right,
much less
everybody.
pages. It's
Itai,
on
thank you so much
integrations.
for joining
Okay.
us, man.
Yeah, of
You're a rock
course.
star. I learned a lot.
Glad to be here. I'm sure in the only here in Screaming Frog we can find 10,000 more issues that could push them very good.
Okay,
So
this has been the harshest score we've given so far.
I'm afraid of what they're going to
And
say.
let's
what they're
hear.
gonna say, they should say thank you. They should
What?
say
Right,
thank you.
right.
We've
All
given
right,
them so much
guys.
stuff to fix.
Till next
Yeah.
week. We'll see y'all later.
Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for having me.
Peace.
Bye.